Hi guys, this is Anna from swiftbanners.com. This is going to be a tutorial about clickable buttons in Google Web Designer. What if in our banner we need some kind of a disclaimer that will be only visible after clicking on a button? There might be some other situations when we need something like that, so I think this tutorial might be very useful. I'm going to present you here with 3 different examples of how we can achieve that. The first one, the disclaimer is visible only after clicking on a button and disappears after clicking the same button again. The second one, disclaimer is visible after clicking on a button, disappears after clicking on the X, the close button. The third one, the disclaimer is visible after hovering above our button with the mouse cursor and disappears after we leave the button area. Like here in this example. Okay, I have my 3 pre-designed simple projects ready to speed up the tutorial and show just the useful stuff. So let's start. This element prices, this is the layer that's going to appear and disappear. This example will be the longest one because I'm showing almost everything step by step. The other 2 are shortened. So we will need 2 tab areas here. Drag and drop the first one from the components area. Place it right above our price details button and adjust the size. The second tab area will be a copy of the first one, so just copy and paste it. And it should be pasted in just right above the first one. The second tab area will have to be invisible at first, so let's change the visibility to hidden in the properties section. And then let's change the opacity of our prices layer to 0. Yes, just like that. Now hide that. We will hide the tab area too. As right now I will be adding some events to the first tab area. Right click on the first tab area, add an event, mouse, click, CSS, set styles, choose prices, yes, click on the plus button and type opacity and 1. And now we will need to add another event. Do the same tab area. Choose mouse, click, CSS, set styles, choose tab area 2, click on the plus button, type visibility and visible, and click on OK. So now we will need to add 2 events for the tab area number 2, so let's make it visible again. Right click on it and add event, choose mouse, click, CSS, set styles, choose prices, click on the plus, type opacity and 0. And now the second event, so choose mouse, click, CSS, set styles, choose tab area 2, click on the plus, type visibility and hidden. Yeah, sorry, that was my mistake, it should be hidden, not visible. Click on OK. Go to preview Yes, it works as intended, and it's all made with just 4 events in Google Web Designer. Okay, so now for the second example with an X-Close button. As I said before, I have everything that I need already on the scene. There are 2 tab areas and the little X image. Now let me quickly put the tab area 2 above this X image. Okay, like that. And now the prices layer opacity is already set to 0, like here. So for tab area 1, we'll add 2 events. First let me quickly also make the X layers opacity set to 0, like here. We don't want it to be visible now, it will appear later, together with the prices layer. So edit this event, choose mouse, click CSS, set styles, prices, click on the plus button, type opacity and 1. Now add the second event, choose mouse, click CSS, set styles, X layer, click on the plus, type opacity and 1. And now for tab area 2, add an event, mouse, click CSS, set styles, prices, click on the plus, type opacity and 0. Now let's add another event, choose mouse, click CSS, set styles, X layer, click on the plus, type opacity and 0. Click on the preview. There are 4 events, and in the preview you can see that it works as intended. So you probably know the pattern by now. It's all done with events. So for our last example, we'll only need 2 events added. We'll operate only on the mouse over and mouse out. This is my third pre-designed example. We'll only need 1 tab area, like here. Add an event, mouse, mouse over, CSS, set styles, prices, click on the plus, type opacity and 1. Okay. And the second event, mouse, it will be mouse out, CSS, set styles, prices, click on the plus, type opacity and 0. Click on the preview now. Yes, it works great. And the last thing, for every of these appearing and disappearing layers, we can add an ease so it looks better. All we have to do is in this field at configuration section, tick easing, choose the effect you like best and set up the duration. Go to preview. Yes, it works well. It has this smooth ease added and it looks better now. So I hope this helps, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.